there, welcome to Yogea Asana Lab. I'm Antonia and we're gonna sail away because we're gonna do boat pose. Are you ready? Let's do it. Face the top of your mat. Start to rock. Feel the rocking because we're gonna need it now. Bend your knees. Walk your heels toward your groin. Lengthen your spine. We want to keep that long spine as we extend the legs and reach the head up. Now, just try and test. One leg up, flex the foot, bring it down, then the other leg up. Great. Now, tip back. Try not to overly contract here. Tip back, but keep the spine long as possible, of course, here. Extending the legs out. Now we have that lift through the chest and the sternum. Hold your thighs slowly. Either stay here or yogic toe lock the big toes with the pointer and the middle fingers. Lengthen your spine. With your spine long, if you are there, bend your elbows. Start to exhale slowly. Lifting up, dropping down. Go a little bit more. And a little bit more. But try not to collapse in your lower belly. And a little bit more. And then go back to your sailing boat. Well done. Row, row, row your boat gently on your mat. You did great. Well done. See you again.